To this park, it's a very mud road. Poor people, they did not know where to go. This road, the first ange varikum road potachi. See, that was 1 crore 8 lakh sanction ayirundu. For 8 years that was not done. We fought, subcontract alla odachi. We saved 40 lakhs and we are extending the road. Ama, hola babu. Hello Raja. Raja Mama. This is my design.
Jeevamrutham endu idil nundakkum?
Jeevamrutham vandu idodiya urine. Idodiya sani adu oru idu irukku. Idula vandu paranga. So you put around 5 liters of urine. Cow urine collect பண்ணி எத்தனை நாள் வேணாலும் வைக்கலாம். But the fresh cow dung போடணும். கொஞ்சம் பிண்டி, வெல்லம், jaggery. Then you use some little mud to it. And then you do it for 3 days like this. அதுக்கப்புறம் within 7 days you should use it. Our education is waste. If any education does not teach your roots. See, nature காப்பாத்துற அளவுக்கு மனுஷன் பெரிய ஆள் இல்ல. Nature will look after itself.
വർഷങ്ങളായി പെസ്റ്റിസൈഡൽ ഫാമിംഗ് നടത്തുന്നു. എങ്ങനെ തിരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് വരാൻ പറ്റും?
We all have to do it because വേറെ വഴിയില്ല. See, the point is necessity will push you. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് பண்ணிருக்கேன். ഇപ്പോൾ you are catching it up. ഇத 10 പേർ. So it has to again down. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളെ മാറിயான പ്രബലமான ആட்கள். We have to get down. See, you have to put your hand in a cow dung and eat it. What is wrong in it? This is nature. Namaste. నువ్వు కూర్చో చిన్న కుర్రోడే ఏంటి నీకు రాకినా అంతమంది చెల్లెలు ఉన్నారా జీన్స్ ప్యాంట్ వేసుకుని షర్ట్ వేసుకుని కూర్చుని పోయిన సంవత్సరం ఏమొచ్చింది నీకు అన్న ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎంత చెప్పినా కథలు చెప్పినా వినే మూడు లేదు కాబట్టి వారానికి ఒక కుటుంబానికి వెరైటీ కావాలి కదా మనం అందరూ కలుసుకుంటే వెరైటీ వచ్చేస్తుంది మనం ఏం చేద్దాం చూద్దాం ఏం తల్లి పాన్ పరాగ్ తింటున్నావు నువ్వు మనం కలిసి ఉన్నాం మనం కలిసి అందరికీ సమస్యలు పరిహారం చెప్పకపోతే మాకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది మీరు మీటింగ్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు నేనేదో సర్పంచ్ని పట్టుకొని నా పాటికి స్కూల్ పని ఇది చేస్తున్నాను తప్పితే Here is the major toilet for the children and all will come. This will be land. I've made a longer corridor for the children. We had only till 8. Now we have got sanctioned till 10th. But we didn't have classrooms. We were outside they used to study. So building the total infrastructure. We need to make our own nursery where our village children will know about growing plants, growing vegetation.
ജനങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു കോപ്പറേഷൻ എങ്ങനെ?
See, the point is you can never say bad about the people. Cooperation for them, what do you say? Trust illalla. Tara varshamai. They have been only misused. They have been denied. So even if you see the meeting I had, slowly it has taken 8 months for me, for this group of farmers to come to me. Say hi. Hi.
വാസ്തവത്തിൽ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ പേര് നേരത്തെ തീരുമാനിച്ചിരുന്നു കാരണം ഞങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച് വളരെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയി സ്റ്റഡി നടത്തിയിട്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പ്രകാശം പരത്തുന്നവൻ കാരണം പ്രകാശ് രാജ് എന്നയാൾ പ്രകാശം പരത്തുന്നു ഒരുപാട് പേരുടെ ജീവിതത്തിന് പ്രകാശം നൽകുന്നു ഇത് ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അങ്ങനെയാണ് ബോധ്യമായത്
we should give back to life ഇത് யாரோ സന്തോഷപ്പെടില്ല എനിക്ക് സന്തോഷം അതിൽ ഒരു സെൽഫിഷ്നെസ് ഉണ്ട് എനിക്കൊരു തൃപ്തി എനിക്കൊരു മീനിങ് എനിക്കൊരു പീസ്
എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
താങ്ക് യു.